Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start a new chapter of English Reader. The chapter name is Expert Detectives. Detective means one who investigates crimes. We also say sleuth in one word. In this story, Nisad and Maya, both brother and sister, they were trying to know about Mr. Nath, who was patient of their mother. They are trying to know about him, that is he a criminal or is he a poor person. They have different views. According to Maya, Mr. Nath is a criminal, and in the view of Nisad, he was a poor and starving person. Maya made different points about Mr. Nath, and she thought that he is a criminal, he is a crook. So in this chapter we will know about the reality. Come on the chapter. Nisad, a boy of 7, also called 7 because his name means the seventh note on the musical scale, and his 10-year-old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath. Then one day the children's marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room, and Nisad gets a chance to see him. Is he a crook on the run? Why is his face badly scarred? Why has he no friends? Student, you know that Nisad, a boy 7, he is also called 7 because his name means the seventh note on the musical scale, and his sister Maya, who was 10-year-old, they are very curious, excited to know about Mr. Nath. Understand? So one day what had happened, by chance the marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room, and Nisad gets a chance to enter into gets a chance to see him. Understand? Gets a chance to see him, to see Mr. Nath, and he thinks that is he a crook? Crook means criminal on the run. Why is his face badly scarred? Why is his face badly burnt? Why has he no friends? They were thinking, both children were thinking that why is his face badly burnt and why has he no friends? Nisad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite, and Nisad's mother knows only Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite, who is very gentle. Come on the chapter, para number first. As we walked back towards the clinic, 7 said, he does not look anything like a monster, Maya, but did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat. As we walked means Maya and Nisad, who were going to the clinic of their mother. On that time, 7 means here, Nisad said, he does not look anything like a monster, Maya. He said that, Nisad said that he does not look anything like a monster. Monster means horrible figure. He is not looking like a horrible person, dreadful person. Understand? But did you see how thin he is? And he is saying to Maya that how thin is he? Are you watching? Are you observing? Maya, he is very poor and can't afford to eat. And Nisad said that he is a poor person and he can't afford means can't bear the burden of purchasing food. Understand? He can't be poor if he is a crook on the run. I told him he is probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. Maya said that he can't be poor if he is a crook on the run. If he is a crook, if he is a criminal on the run, understand? If he is a criminal. I told him. Who told him? Maya told Nisad that he is a criminal on the run. Understand? He had left his place because of police. He is probably got millions of rupees stashed away. Maya said that he's probably got millions of rupees stashed away, hidden away. He had kept secretly millions of rupees somewhere in that room. Do you really think he is a criminal, Maya? He does not look like one. Nisad looked doubtful. Do you really think he is a criminal, Maya? He does not look like one. Nisad looked doubtful. Nisad said that, do you really think, Maya, he is a criminal? He does not look like one. He does not look like one. Look like criminal. Nisad was doubtful. Understand? Of course, he is 7, I said, and he certainly is not starving. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurant downstairs. Maya said that, of course, he is a criminal. 7, I said, Maya said, and he certainly is not starving. And he is not certainly starving. Starving means without food. He is not hungry. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurant downstairs. And Maya said that Mr. Mehta says that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurant downstairs. From the restaurant which is inside, which is from the restaurant downstairs, which is downstairs. Understand? But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he does not work anywhere, so how can he possibly have money to pay food? Nisad said. But Maya, Mr. Mehta also told us that he does not work anywhere. Mr. Nath does not work anywhere, so how he pays the tips? Understand? How he pays the bill of the food, of the meals. To pay for food, Nisad said. Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. It's probably full of silver and gold and jewels and Maya said that, exactly, I exclaimed, he must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. Maya said that maybe he has kept money in trunk, in this big trunk, in that trunk. Trunk means a large strong box. In that trunk in his room, it is probably full of silver and gold and jewels and more and more. So Maya said that maybe probably he has kept gold and silver and more money in hidden way in that strong box. What rubbish, Nisad interrupted. Nisad said, what nonsense are you talking? I know I am right, stupid. I told him, by the way, 7, did you see his scars? I couldn't, it was too dark, but I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. Maya said that I know I am right stupid, foolish. I told him, Maya said to Nisad. By the way, Seban, did you see his scars? Did you see his cut marks, scars, burnt marks on his face? I couldn't. It was too dark. Nisad said that I could not see. It was too dark. But I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. But Maya is telling that I think he got such marks when the police were chasing him. Understand? With the police during the shootout with police or something. Mummy told us quite clearly they were burn scars, Nisad said firmly. Nisad said firmly, strongly, that Mummy told us that these are only burn scars. These are only the marks of burning. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. I suggested. Seban looked unsure. Here, Maya was forcing that he is a criminal, and on the other hand, Nisad thinks that he is not a criminal. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. Maya said that perhaps maybe the police had set his house on fire and he had been escaped by chance. I suggested, and Nisad was looking unsure. Understand? On the Monday following Mama's birthday, Seban went alone with her to the clinic at Girugaon. As I was spending the evening with a school friend, when they returned, Nisad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I had not been there. On the next Monday, there was the birthday of the mother of Maya and Nisad. So Seban went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon. So Nisad went to the clinic alone at Girgaon, as I was spending the evening with a school friend, and Maya was spending her time with his school friend. When they returned, Nisad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I had not been there. So on that time, Nisad said that he had seen Mr. Nath in the clinic, and on that time Maya felt most annoyed. She became more angry that I had not been. Seban had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance and was sure that he was starving. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." Seban had been quite upset. He was disturbed to see the gaunt appearance. Gaunt means sick appearance of Mr. Nath, that he was looking very feeble, weak. And he was sure that he was starving. Starving means he was lacking. He was bereft of food. Mr. Nath was bereft of food. Who was thinking? Nisad was thinking. And on that time, he told me that Nisad told to Maya that on that evening he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door. Understand? And said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." The man had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" And on that time, on that evening, Mr. Nath opened the door and he said to Nisad that, "Lost another marble?" He had obviously recognized my brother. He had obviously means clearly recognized my brother. Maya is telling that clearly, he is clearly recognizing my brother. No, said Nisad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. No, said Nisad. Nisad said that no, he did not recognize me. He had taken the man's hand, and Nisad had taken the man's, Mr. Nath's hand in his own and thrust. Thrust means to push with sudden force. What pushed? A bar of chocolate into it in the hand of Mr. Nath. Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk, Seban? I asked. Maya asked a question to Nisad that did you get the chance to peek? To peek means to see. Look quietly and secretively. Have you got the chance to see secretively inside the house of Mr. Nath and into the trunk, into the big box, into a large strong box? Nisad looked disappointed. He did not even ask me in, he said. Then he smiled, but I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. Nisad looked disappointed, means unhappy, when Maya was asking such a question. He did not even ask me in, and he said that Nisad said that Mr. Nath had not asked him to come inside the house. He did not even ask me in, he said. Then afterward he smiled, but I did find out something, Maya. He said that I found something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works, and I also talked to Ramesh. Good for you, Mr. Detective, I said, patting him on the back. I hope you questioned him properly. Good for you. Maya was saying good for you, Mr. Detective, Mr. Sleuth. Maya said, patting on his back. Patting on his back. Thumping on the back of Nisad. I hope you questioned him properly. Seban looked pleased. Seban looked happy. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Nisad said that Ramesh told me. Seban looked happy and he told that Ramesh told him that Mr. Nath takes 2 meals in a day, every morning and every evening, and 2 cups tea in the morning and in the afternoon. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. It is always the same food, 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. And Ramesh also says that he is not knowing particular about his food, particular about what he eats, about his meals. Only he always take the same food, 2 chapatis, some dal and always the same food. And Mr. Nath always pays cash and tips well. Tips well means that he also give extra money to Ramesh. Understand? So here we get that he takes 2 meals, one in morning, one in evening, and he also takes 2 tea, one in morning and one in afternoon, and he is only taking some chapatis, dal, some and vegetable. Ramesh told me something very strange, Maya. Seban added, almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and the same man is with him each time. He is tall, fair, stout and wears spectacles. Ramesh said His visitors talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. One thing more interesting that was told by Ramesh is that the thing is very strange. Also, 7 added, almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and the same man with him, he got the same man with him in his room each time. The personality of the person is he is tall, fair, and stout. Stout means rather fat. He looks fatty, and he also wears spectacles. Ramesh says that visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. And Ramesh also said that he talks too much while Mr. Nath speaks very less. Understand? Well done, Nisad. I told him, now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we will have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. On the other hand, Maya was thinking that he is a crook, he is a criminal. So he is telling, well done, Nisad. Maya told him, now that we have made some progress with our investigations, understand? And we will have to sort out all the facts, and we will sort out means arrange systematically. We have to arrange systematically all the facts like expert detectives, expert sleuths, so that we can trap the crook, so that we can catch the criminal. Maya was telling, we have to find out all the facts systematically, properly, so that we can catch the crook, catch the criminal. How you do go on, Maya? 7 sighed. How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. How you do go on, Maya? 7 said. Nisad said that, how you do go on, Maya? And he took a long breath. Nisad took a long breath, and he said that, how can you possibly imagine that he is a crook, he is a criminal? Because he looks ordinary, he looks simple. Criminals can look quite ordinary, Smarty, I retorted. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? He looked like any man on the street. Nisad looked doubtful. Criminals look quite ordinary. Criminals can look quite ordinary. Who said? Maya said. Smarty, Maya said to him, Smarty, I retorted. Who retorted? Retorted means she replied quickly. Retorted means here to reply quickly to the comment. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? And she asked a question to Nisad that, did you see yesterday the newspaper? Housebreaker of Hyderabad. He looked like any man on the street. Nisad looked doubtful. And the person looked like a very simple person. Understand? Nisad became doubtful. So I hope that you are getting all this. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.